Okay, so I'm so sorry that y'all missed that. I'm not sure what's going on. But basically, they're just going to go to their SSO portal and use the login that I sent you on Dojo to log in, and it'll come up looking like this. I am on a student view, so she can see what her view will look like. So what she's going to do for today is click on Google Classroom, and her classes will come up here. If she has not accepted them, she will just hit join, the blue button. This is going to be her Wednesday classroom. This is just homeroom stuff. This is going to be her Tuesday and Friday classroom, and this is her Monday, Thursday classroom. So since it is Thursday, she will click on Thursday, and this is where everything I post will be. She's going to click on classwork, and this is where her classwork will be. This says first day of school, so these are the assignments. She will be doing all about me, how are you feeling, and my teacher true false today, and these last two will be due. She'll be doing tomorrow during her time for independent work. Now what she's going to do is she's going to click on the assignment, view assignment, and it should come up here. Let's see why it's not. So she's going to click here. Sorry, it is slow. So she's going to click on her assignment under classwork. And then this is where she will be. She will just simply click in the text box and type her text. So it says, hello, my name is. She will put her name, and then down here she's going to answer her favorite things. She can add a picture here, 3 words to describe me. I'm going back to my Google Classroom, hitting back. She will also do, how are you feeling? She will click on that assignment, and this is just how she's feeling about back to school. So it says, how do you feel about being back in school? So she will drag the emoji and put it here. So I'm so excited about school. I'm dragging that emoji and then explanation. I'm so excited for the first day of school with all of my new students. So that's what she will do for that. And then the last assignment to do today is my teacher true false. She'll click on that assignment. And this is just a fun little get to know your teacher thing. I've just put some statements here, and she'll simply guess whether she thinks it's true or false. She can just put T and F in each box, whether she thinks it's true or false. And she'll turn those in. It says they're due on August 10th, so if she doesn't finish them today, she can finish them before Monday, because that is when they'll be due. Also, on her SSO portal, she can go here to access her email. iReady is not available yet, but it will be ready, and that is where we will store notes and some classwork. Zoom should be coming up on y'all's SSO portal, but it is not yet, so she can simply go to zoom.com. For our Zoom meetings, she's going to hit join a meeting, and she will type in the meeting ID right here that I send. So for today, she just needs to go to her Google Classroom, and she has until 2 o'clock to do this, so she's going to go to Monday, Thursday, classwork, and she's going to complete all about me, how are you feeling, my teacher true false. She's going to complete that today before 2 o'clock. At 2 o'clock, she will be hopping back on for another Zoom. If you look right here on our stream, this is where I posted the first day of school. So here's the Zoom meeting. This is our agenda. And then she's going to complete these activities. If you need some help on virtual learning, if you need assistance with Zoom, or if you have any other concerns or questions about virtual learning, you will view those links and then message me or email if you have any questions. And then she will log back onto Zoom at 2 o'clock until 2:45 for our afternoon Zoom. I really hope this helps. Please let me know if you have any other questions.